Did you know there's a lonely cemetery in London where visitors keep reporting the same strange phenomenon? A soft melodic tone that seems to drift through the graves, almost like a voice calling from above. The locals have even given it a name, the angel caller, because no device, no speaker, and no person has ever been found making the sound. Paranormal investigators have tried everything to track its source, placing microphones all over the cemetery, but the audio seems to come from nowhere and everywhere at the same time. Some believe it's a warning from the other side, while others think it's the sound of a lost soul trying to find its way home. Whatever it is, the mystery of the angel caller remains unsolved. What do you think is making that sound? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries like this.